Hi, this video is about our new Google Meet integration into Canvas. You'll see over to the left in your Canvas course a Google Meet LTI link, and we are using Google Meet this year instead of WebEx. You're going to get an email with lots of documents and video links and different options that you could have to share your Google Meet link with your students in case we were to have an e-learning day and where we have to do synchronous learning. This is just one option. So if you go ahead and click on Google Meet, it's going to ask you to go ahead and sign into your Decatur Proud Google account. So I'll go ahead and do that. And since we use two-factor authentication, it's going to say it wants to basically, security wants to ask me, make sure that this is me. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Gmail app on my phone and wait for it, and it popped up and said, is this you? So I'm going to click yes, it's me. And there we go, we're in. So now that you're in, you can go ahead and hit new meeting, give it a title, so we'll just call it e-learning day, November 5th. Some type of description, and then set your day and time. So whatever you need to do there. I'll just go ahead and set it for November 5th. And I'm just going to leave it 2 to 3 p.m. And then I'm always going to leave this toggled on because I don't want anybody in the meeting before me. So the students will just get a message that says waiting on the host. And then you can decide if you want them to be able to share their screen or send chat messages. So you can set all that up before and then just click save. And there you go. Now it's in your list. So if I were to go to home and then go back to my Google Meet LTI link, you'll see that meeting right there. So when the time comes, you can hit join from there and start your meeting. Now your students have the same option. If this link is enabled in your course, they can click on that link and it'll have the meeting just like this, and they could hit the word join, and that will force the Google Meet app to open, and then they hit join again, and then they're waiting for you to start the meeting. Just like the documents and the videos say in the email, I would go ahead before we do any of this, have the students open the Google Meet app and go ahead and sign in with their Decatur Proud Google account before trying any of this, because once they hit join, it's going to ask them to sign in anyways. So I would do that first and get that out of the way, but then you have options of how you want to run this if there was an actual synchronous day. You could just tell your students on a Canvas page or a Canvas announcement, you could say, hey, go to the Google Meet link and go ahead and join our meeting at whatever time. You could put it, you could hit these three little dots and hit copy joining info. You could copy and paste that meeting info into a Canvas announcement, put it in a module. I mean, there's a lot of different ways. So the email you get will kind of go through different options you have, but this seems to be one of the easiest options because it's built right inside of Canvas. As always, if you need any help setting it up, just reach out to Andy Starnes, astarnes@decaturproud.org.